Hello class, in this video we are going to look at solving simultaneous linear equation by graphical methods. Firstly, we are going to use the intercept method, which is the very simple way of calculating by graphical ways. Let's start with let's write x-intercept, and this is y-intercept. That is, if you take equation 1, it says 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. When finding the x-intercept, we are going to make y to be equals to 0. If you make y to be equals to 0, you have 3x plus 2 times 0 is equals to 12. Therefore, you have 3x is equals to 12. Divide both sides by 3, you get x is equals to a by 3, you get x is equals to 4. Therefore, for the x-intercept, when y is 0, you get x is equals to 4. Then we can solve the next equation to obtain another value of x and y. Taking another equation, if you take x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. Therefore, you make y to be equals to 0 for the x-intercept. Have x minus, you'll have x minus 2 times 0 is 0. That is equals to minus 4. Now x is minus 4. X is minus 4, then y is 0. Then we take let's solve for the y-intercept. If we take 3x from equation 1 here, we take 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. We solve for x. If you make x to be equals to 0, that is the total of x will vanish. We have 2y is equals to 12. We have, we divide both sides by 2. Here we have, when x is 0, you get y is 6. Then let's solve for the second equation. We have x minus 2y is equals to minus 4. When making x to be equals to 0, the second equation, let's take, this is the second equation. We make x to be equals to 0. Then you have minus 2y is equals to minus 4. Then you divide both sides by the coefficient of y. This is minus 2 also. Minus 2 cancel out. You have y is equals to minus cancel minus 2 divided by 4 divided by 2. This is equals to 2. Therefore, when x is 0, then y is 2. Then we are going to use this to solve the graphical methods of simultaneous linear equation. We check when x is 4, then y is 0. When x is 4, there is the point of x, then y is 6. This is the point of 6. Then you draw a line crossing 6 and 4. That is, you place your ruler, you draw a line passing through. That is the first equation we solve. Then we solve the next one when x is minus 4. That is when x in the x-axis, x is minus 4 here. Then y is 2. This is the position of y. Then we can place our ruler here. We draw a line crosses both the two equations. And now you consider the line intercept where the midpoint, the two equations meet. That is, the two equations meet in this point, where you can judge that the x is 2, and y is 3. Therefore, x is 2 and y is 3. You can check whether x is 2 and y is 3 by checking the equation 1. Let's use equation 1. It says 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. That is, we have 3 into x is 2, y is 3. 3 times 2 plus 2 times 3 is equals to 12. That is 6 plus 6. This is equals to 12. This is equals to 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye.